Good morning, students. I hope you are doing fine. We started doing the chapter Retrieved Reformation. I hope you had read the chapter very well. I told you to write the short summary. I provided you the short summary of the story. I hope you had all written it down in your notebooks. Now, today we will be doing the question answers. So, before the question answers, you have to write the word meanings of the chapter. These word meanings you have to write in your notebooks. You have to also write the part of speech the word has been used in the text. Like retrieved. Retrieved is here used as adjective. Retrieved means regained or recovered. So all these things you have to write in your notebooks. Now let's start with the question answers. So the first question is, with that act, Ralph D. Spencer passed away and Jimmy Valentine took his place. What does that act refer to? That act refers to Jimmy Valentine's throwing off his coat and pulling up his shirt sleeves to resume his previous occupation of breaking the walls. So as we know that Jimmy Valentine was a safe cracker. He was a skilled safe cracker. So at Alamo City, he was living under the name of Ralph D. Spencer, and he met Annabelle and he was going to marry her under this name, with this name, Ralph D. Spencer. But when he was presented with the situation of saving the girl's life, and Annabelle urged him to do something. Annabelle requested him to do something. So at that time, Ralph D. Spencer passed away, means died, and Jimmy Valentine took his place. So the act of throwing off his coat and pulling up his shirt sleeves to resume his previous occupation of breaking the safe or walls, this act refers to that. Now, next question. What led to this act? कि ऐसा उसको क्यों करना पड़ा? When Annabelle turned to Ralph D. Spencer in anguish to save her niece Agatha and told him to do something or at least try, this led to that act. अब उसको ये ऐसा इसलिए करना पड़ा क्योंकि एनाबेल ने उसको रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि एटलीस्ट डू समथिंग टू सेव हर नीस Agatha, who was locked in that vault. So that's why he did that. In what sense did Ralph D. Spencer pass away? Now third question is, in what sense did Ralph D. Spencer pass away? Now the answer is, Ralph D. Spencer passed away when Jimmy settled down in his true identity to open the safe to save Agatha's life. Passed away means मर जाना, died, कि वो ख़त्म हो गया, उसकी आइडेंटिटी ख़त्म हो गई रैल्फ की और जिमी की आइडेंटिटी बाहर आ गई. क्यों, कब आई? जब वो बैठ गया अपने प्रीवियस काम पे जिसके में वो माहिर था, जिसमें वो स्किल्ड था. दैट वाज हिज ओपनिंग द सेफ्स, cracking the walls. So Ralph D. Spencer passed away when Jimmy settled down in his true identity to open the safe to save Agatha's life. Now next reference to context is, I don't know that it makes much difference now. Now the first question is, who said this and to whom? Now Ralph D. Spencer, who is actually Jimmy Valentine, spoke these words to Detective Ben Price. What does it refer to? It refers to Annabelle and her family discovering that Ralph is actually, in fact, Jimmy Valentine, a skilled safe cracker. So it refers to revealing his true identity in front of Annabelle and her family. Now the third question is, why did he say this? Jimmy uses his criminal skills to save a life, despite the fact that in doing so he will reveal his true identity and he will lose Annabelle's love forever. It is at this moment he is truly redeemed. Redeemed means saved from going back to prison, saved from all his crimes, of his all previous crimes. So this act of saving the little girl's life redeemed all his previous crimes. So these were the reference to context. Now, next is B part. Answer these questions. How did Ben Price guess that burglaries were done by Jimmy Valentine? कि Ben Price को कैसे पता चला कि जो भी सेफ क्रैकिंग हुई है, जो भी थेफ्ट्स हुई हैं, वो जिमी वैलेंटाइन ने की हैं. Ben Price guessed that burglaries were done by Jimmy Valentine because there were neat jobs of safe burglaries with no clue to the thief. Also, only Jimmy had the skills and the tools to do such a neat job. कि सिर्फ जिमी के पास ही ऐसा स्किल था और जिमी के पास ही ऐसे टूल्स थे जो वो ऐसा नीट और क्लीन काम कर सकता था. सो दिस इज द आंसर टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now, next question. How did Jimmy get information about Annabelle and the town? Jimmy called a boy who was loafing on the steps of the bank and asked him questions about Annabelle and the town. And kept feeding him coins at intervals. This is how Jimmy got information about Annabelle and the town. So this is the answer to question number 2. Now look at question number 3. What happened to Agatha at the bank? Agatha got accidentally locked in the new vault at Alamo Bank while playing with her elder sister May. Now, for fourth question, next question. Ben Price never handled petty crimes. Petty means small. How do you know this? So now we have to write the exact lines from the text. Ben Price never handled petty crimes. We know this from this line. The losses mounted and they are now high enough and were now high enough to bring matter up into Ben Price class of work. So these lines show that Ben Price never handled petty crimes. Now answer number 5. Question number 5. Why did Spencer show a courteous but not too intelligent interest in the safe? Spencer showed a courteous but not too intelligent interest in the safe because he himself was a skilled safe cracker. He knew everything about them, so he showed a little interest to please Mr. Adam, who was Annabelle's father and his future father-in-law. So this is answer number 5. So question number 6. Why do you think Ben Price pretended not to recognize him? Ben pretended not to recognize Jimmy because he had witnessed his reformation. Reformation means change. So he wanted to give Jimmy a chance to enjoy his life and live freely. So these were the answer to the questions of B part. Now let's discuss and write. First question. Sorry, we couldn't make it sooner. Who is the we the speaker could be referring to? In my opinion, the speaker is referring to Mike Donnell and the lawyer of Jimmy as we in the statement. कि जो जिमी का लॉयर है जो उसका केस फाइट कर रहा था वो और माइक डोनाल्ड जो उसका फ्रेंड है जिसके रेस्टोरेंट में वो जाता है अपने टूल्स लेने, उन दोनों को वो जो स्पीकर है वो वी एज वी रेफर कर रहा है. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The safe had to be broken to save a life. Was it an easy decision for Jimmy Valentine to make? Why? No. The answer is no. It was not an easy decision to make for Jimmy Valentine. Because in order to save the girl's life, he had to break the safe, which could reveal his true identity and risk his own life in presence of Annabelle and Detective Ben Price. कि उसका अपना लव जो जिससे एनाबेल जिससे वो प्यार करता था, जिससे वो शादी करना चाहता था, उसके साथ अपनी लाइफ और डिटेक्टिव के सामने भी अपने आप को रिवील करने का खतरा था. उसको उसको जो एक अच्छी लाइफ जीने का उसको जो चांस मिल रहा था एनाबेल के साथ, उसको खोने का उसका सबसे ज़्यादा उसको डर था. बट स्टिल डिस्पाइट ऑल दीज थिंग्स he saved that girl. He opened that safe and saved that girl. So this is the answer number 2. Now the last question, third question of discuss and write is, do you think Ben Price did the right thing by saying, I don't believe I know you? What does this show about Ben's sense of justice? Yes, Ben Price did the right thing by not recognizing Jimmy. Jimmy had put his life and love at risk for saving a little girl. So he deserved a chance to live his reformed life freely. He was a reformed man who had left his criminal ways behind and wanted to start a new life. Ben Price gave him that chance to Jimmy. So Ben Price's sense of justice was very, very appreciable and very, very correct. He did not arrest Jimmy because he saw that Jimmy had left his criminal ways behind. He wanted to live a new life, a reformed life. So he gave that chance to Jimmy. So these are all the questions, the answer. You have to write them in your notebooks. I hope you have understood the chapters and the question answers well. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a great day.